20th Century Fox Bloopers 65. All right. Move it. Okay. You always say that whenever it magically goes on. Why is this not animated? Why is this animated? Because I really like the animated better than live action. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to say, it's supposed to be live action, and you're picking live action whether you like it or not. You say that, and it's gonna get a lot worse. A lot worse than you usually make things. And you just don't know the way of doing studios. Weren't you even having fun at your studio? Not really. Come on. Okay, move it. Okay, duh. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Entertainment? Because I like 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Fine. Okay, where is it? Cut. Why is it not live action? Because this is better. No, it's not supposed to be like that. This is totally uncalled for. I don't like it animated. You are not going to be doing this. If you want to be bad, do it at the studio. At your own studio. I can't be bad at my own studio. I'll get fired. You can't get fired because you don't have a boss. Plus, never mind. There's no time for talking. There's no time for talking. Come on, I ain't got all day. Okay, you always say that like it's a bad thing. Why does it say Crazy Indian Boy 95 Studios production? Because I like Crazy Indian Born 95. No! Not supposed to be like that! Don't do this! Okay. Come on, don't just stand there like an idiot. Do something. Come on, hurry up.
Gonna make you feel good.
Hurry up.
Gonna make you feel good. Gonna make you mine.
Cut. Why is it rotated? And why is it wiggly? Because it's so funny. No, it's not funny. Don't laugh like a maniac. Oh, har 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 har. Har 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 har. Har 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 har. No, I don't want to be fired. I don't care. I don't care if I'm fired. Well, then if you want to be fired, then get out then. No! I don't want to be fired. Well, you literally just said you didn't care, so that means you want to be fired. Oh, be quiet. You know I don't know what that is. What are you? Cat. What did you just do to the logo? I messed it up. No! 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 How dare you? Why would you do this? That's so straight up rude. Well, it's not my fault I picked this. Oh, yes it is, dummy jerk. Be quiet. And this is your last chance. If you don't get this right on the last chance, you're going to be fired. Thank you. Now, please get out. Yes. For crying out loud. You don't have to keep telling me to get out of here when I already know what I'm supposed to do at the end of a stupid bloopers video. Excuse me? We will make money doing this. Our videos don't even get that much views. We don't deserve it to make money. Oh, shut up. Just go out, please.